Moonlight floods my room through a dingy hotel curtain. I sit here thinking that it's March here in Orlando, and you and I, we wore the same flowers in our hair. Strangely, there shouldn't be anything, but there are a whole lot of little things that keep reminding me that we're not the same as we were last year. So here I am writing words that I cannot say. I think aloud, but there's no one here to answer me. The wall looks on with patronizing sympathy. Oh, I'm tired of feeling broken, defeated by the very mention of your name. There's not a lot that I cannot overcome, but it's not this drowning in humility. To preserve my very sanity. Let's not be fake. Maybe it was my mistake. I'd hate to think that you were impossible.